Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the about phone section, and here you have IMEI number 1, IMEI number 2, and in the model and hardware you have serial number. And there's also a second method for this operation. You can just open your phone, open keyboard on it, and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can see IMEI information, IMEI 2, and also a serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.